Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to open my first bump box. I recently seen this online and I was like, oh, this would be fun. I didn't do this with my first pregnancy, so I wanted to do it with this one. So we are going to yes, Camilla.
Hi.
Okay, go. All right. All right, sit down over there.
But my legs are hurt. I want to stand up.
You want to stand up? All right, first I got to figure out how to open this.
I want to know to open this, guys. I just said that too with you. I just said that. Mommy can do it. Open her box, guys.
Yeah?
I see it.
You can say it, yeah. All right. So, I'm going to turn and put it kind of on the side of my couch, but I'm going to show y'all.
Yeah.
So, basically, I got a free breast pump. Woo-hoo.
And my mommy gets something else.
Yeah, I got something else too.
Yeah.
And so this says, congratulations. This is so cute.
Yeah.
Welcome to the family. Every month you'll get safe and fun pregnancy products delivered to your door. Each box is valued at $60 and more. Stop. Welcome to your new subscriber only benefits. So this will be fun. Any new parents, gotta check this out. This seems really cool. So this first one is Sparkling Mama. It's morning sickness relief.
What is that, Mommy?
You know when mommy gets sick in the morning? So this would help so mommy doesn't get sick.
Yeah. And there's a cup on the back.
Yeah, there's a cup on the back.
Cup.
Cup. So this is cute, and it's
DC wants to sniff it.
Yeah, okay, go babe. No, go. So this is raspberry and mint.
I'll be quiet to stand up. I'll be very quiet.
Okay, so there's that.
I'll be quiet.
Okay. This is Tummy Settle, nausea relief. And okay, so this is a nausea relief peach and ginger drops with vitamin B6 in it.
Yeah. It has an apple on it.
No, that's a peach.
A peach.
Yeah. So is that.
And some of those.
I'm trying to see what else is in here.
Oh. That's a blanket.
This isn't a blanket.
Huh?
This is not a blanket.
Is that undies?
No. I gotta scoot this over.
I want to stand right here.
Okay. This is a cute little headband.
For me?
No.
For you?
Yeah. It's a cute little, it's a cute little headband. It's very, very soft.
It looks like a zebra.
Yeah.
A zebra headband. With stripes on it. Yeah.
Thriving home front is what it says on it. Well, on the inside. This is really cute.
It's a zebra, guys. That's so soft.
This is a cleanser.
Yeah.
pH balance, non-drying.
No juice.
Oh, it helps to keep your pores clean by gentle removing excessive oils, dead skin cells, and yeah. So that's what it comes.
Yeah. Stop smelling my butt.
So that.
Juicy was smelling my butt.
Juice my place.
Not my butt. What is that?
This is. Oh, this is cute. So this is a little pregnancy belly stickers.
Yeah.
And it has one for each couple weeks. Like the little mile marks.
It's for all of us.
No, it's for mommy. Mommy puts it on her belly.
I want to talk too.
Yeah. So that's cute. And I think there's one more thing in here.
Yeah. The last one.
This is a belly belt.
Mm-hmm.
Keep wearing your clothes you love.
And keep it so warm.
Yep. So basically, this goes in between, like where your zipper, where you button your pants. That's where that goes. It shows it right there. So yeah, I think that was really cute. That is all that's in the box, but that I found that's pretty decent for about $60 I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You get 6 different items every month.
No juice.
So that's definitely something to look into. I'm kind of happy that I did it. I have never done something like this before, so it seems I'm definitely looking forward to each month and seeing what I get in the boxes. So yeah, I think I'm going to, where's that? Where's that other one? Anyways, I gotta find it, but
Right here?
no, it's a different paper. I don't know where it's at right now. But yeah, I'm definitely going to try to get that breast pump as well. I don't know if I want to breastfeed this time around or not. Because my first pregnancy, I didn't produce enough milk to even do it with her. So I wasn't able to. And I really didn't want to because they were so sore. And I just wasn't up for that.
Excuse me.
Grab orange juice! Go! That is the end of this video. Please guys, can you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel? And if you want, can you please comment down any video ideas? I am back and I will be posting more videos, but in the meantime, we are out. Bye.